Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are getting the access denied error on Paytm, then this video will help you fix it easily. Firstly, completely close the Paytm app from the recent apps. Now go to the settings app. Now scroll down, click on the apps option. Now click on Paytm. Now click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Paytm. Now update it if not. Now, if you are using a VPN, turn it off because VPNs can also cause the access denied error. Next, switch your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try mobile data, or if you are using mobile data, try Wi-Fi. And if the problem still continues, wait for some time because sometimes this happens due to payment server issues. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.